Hey guys, Pijo in Pattaya. What a beautiful day again. That's Dongtan Beach here. The jet ski competition was on. It's after 4 p.m. just now. It's Sunday afternoon, 16th of January. Thought while I'm here, I'll give you guys a quick look. We'll take a spin on the motorbike down along the beach. Look in the distance there, the Copacabana building, putting the swimming pools on the top. You can see up there, that's crazy. It was fairly quiet today. Pattaya was looking a bit quieter. Don't know if all the tourists are going home or what's happening. Just had lunch, tilak. Let's go for a spin. Just was over there, the surf kitchen. Quite good in there. Not too expensive. Great little restaurant. Yeah, so as I was saying, it seems a little bit quieter at the moment. Of course, the tourists, you can't really come back because they've got the quarantine back in action. Phuket, 7-day sandbox. They're talking about doing it to Pattaya again, but doesn't look like they're going to have a meeting till the end of the month. And of course at 9 o'clock at night now, all the bars close up, no alcohol. Police go around checking. So the nightlife in Pattaya, it's not much happening at all. Well, everyone starts a little bit earlier. This is the start of Dongtan Beach. You can drive all the way along here. It's a great little drive. Built some big resorts along here over the years. And you got some great little restaurants as well. They look really nice in there, the sandbar. But all these resorts years ago, this was all vacant blocks of land. A lot more cars around, but it is a weekend. You get a lot more Bangkok people coming down to the beach area. And this house, look at this going up. 280 million baht. Look at that. Monster. 5 bedrooms. You can see the picture there. Just one house. It's crazy. It's a bit of an overkill, but if you got money, why not spend it? Even that one was for sale. It's a big house, but of course they're pretty much beachfront, so you pay a small fortune for that. It's still about 30 degrees today. Slight breeze, but it was still pretty hot earlier on. It's cooling down a little bit now. But let's hope they change the rules. At least we're still allowed alcohol till 9 o'clock, but it's just weird when the bars all close at that time and you're having a good time and you just got to go back to your room. There are secret spots around, but the police are looking for those and you don't want to get into trouble. It's the Pattaya water park and the tower that goes up. And the volleyball courts here. They sometimes get busy along here. Might be a little bit hot yet. You want to get a tan, play volleyball there. And the rescue squad, rescue center, they're all based just here. But some great high-rise condos along here. I remember them building that resort there. I used to come to this beach just here. That was a patch of land there before they built all that. I like this little beach here. Get a nice umbrella, chairs, 50 baht for the day. Relax. That's Koh Larn Island in the distance. There's a lot more bars opening up too now, but they're gonna check on what they're doing, if they have the right licenses or not, because it seems like every bar's just about opened up. Look at that. Get a nice shade under the trees, the umbrellas. Look at the condos up there. Were they cleaning the windows? Something. And this beautiful little Thai style house just here too. Beachfront. That's great. Yeah, they're big condos there. Be nice living there. Great view. The new sauna club there, it's just in there. I don't know if you can see in there. And here we are back at the end of the beach here. I thought I'd give you guys a quick look at that. Got the Sands Cafe. This is Soi 5, goes up to Pratornak. Looking pretty quiet. Normally a busy spot just here. See all the condos just down there. But I'll give you a quick look, guys. Stay safe, everybody. This is P. Joe, over and out.